In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet lag issue when presenting video. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Meet. Click the official result to open the Meet homepage, then sign into your account. Going in through the main site ensures you're using the most up-to-date interface and avoids any redirects that can slow things down. When you're ready to share a video, click Present Now and choose a tab. This option is optimized for motion, so Google Meet prioritizes frame rate and keeps audio and video in sync. It also confines the share to a single browser tab, which helps Meet encode the stream more efficiently compared to sharing your entire screen or a generic app window. Before you confirm the share, look for the Share tab audio checkbox at the bottom of the selection window and turn it on. That routes the sound directly from the tab to your participants, giving them clear, consistent audio without picking it up through your microphone. For smoother playback, run the video inside a browser tab, such as a YouTube page or a Google Drive preview, instead of playing a local file in a desktop media player. Keeping everything inside the tab you're sharing reduces overhead and typically results in fewer drop frames. If the video is still choppy, reduce the data load inside Meet. While you're in the meeting, click the three dots labeled More Options, then Open Settings. Go to the Video section. Change both Send Resolution and Receive Resolution from High Definition 720p to Standard Definition 360p. This lowers bandwidth and processing demands for you and for attendees. Your self-view will be a bit less sharp, but the motion in your shared tab usually becomes much smoother and more consistent. If lag persists, adjust your browser. In Chrome, open Settings, then select System. Turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. On some setups, graphics acceleration can cause stutter or syncing issues during tab sharing. Disabling it shifts rendering back to software, which can stabilize playback. Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Do that, rejoin your meeting, and try presenting again. If you don't notice an improvement, you can return to the same setting and turn acceleration back on. That's it. By signing in through the main site, presenting a tab with audio, keeping your video inside the browser, and lowering resolution or tweaking Chrome when needed, you'll dramatically cut lag when presenting videos in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next presentation runs perfectly smoothly.